Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets all finished lower yesterday after the WASDE report was released. They're mixed so far this morning. You've got corn and beans higher while wheat is lower on the day. As noted, the WASDE report did come out yesterday. If you want to see that, yesterday's afternoon Wilkins Ag Wire covered everything on that. And that was also posted to the Grain Analyst website. So if you want that, go there to see what the WASDE report said and how the trade reacted. As noted, the markets were all lower yesterday, so you kind of get an idea there. But if you want to see the figures, the spreadsheet filled in, all that good stuff, head to those sources. As we've already done it once, so we're not going to duplicate it and do it again. So moving forward to today, there are some cold temperatures that are happening throughout the more upper Midwest and over into the northern plains. So we'll have to see if those get down to freezing areas, and if they do, what kind of damage is going to happen to the crops, and if it's anything more than cosmetic. As discussed earlier this week, we think that the majority of the damage is going to be purely cosmetic. We'll have to see if that does hold true. The markets, again, corn and beans are a little higher so far this morning, but not by much. I mean, we're talking a cent or two or three, so not really a whole lot to push it much higher. We did get some corn and wheat export sales announced this morning. That's not very surprising. Both were to unknown, and both were for 2014, 2015. We're at some pretty low prices right now, so we're probably going to see some demand increases due to the fact that you were 3 and some change for corn and 9 and some change for beans. So when you're at those price levels, definitely going to see probably a little bit of increase in demand. It's more competitive on the world scale. So other than that, that's all we've got for today. If you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.